All that you have to do to add a new device in Google Home and manage it through the app is to have the latest version of Google Home installed on your device. So look for Google Home on the Play Store, and after you download the latest version of the app, sign into your account. This can be any Google account, but I recommend that you set one as the main account that is going to take care of everything. All that you have to do after you sign into your account, after you are done messing with the settings to add a new device to Google Home, is to switch over to the Devices tab. So as you can see, between the favorites and the automations, you can find Devices. In here, tap Add Device and follow through the instructions on screen to set up a new device. You will see that they have the option to add a new device, or this option below works with Google. Regardless of which one you tap, you will be able to get instructions on screen on what you need to do. So if you wish to set up a new device, tap the first option, and now you can choose a home. If you have multiple stays that you want to set up, you can go ahead and add them here, but for the most part, you will have this main one where you control everything. So select it and then tap Next. Now, it is going to automatically detect any devices that you have nearby. I highly recommend that you move closer to the device that you are trying to connect in Google Home. Or alternatively, just wait and you are going to get this menu here, as you can see on screen, if you don't have any devices near you, like me. In here, you can browse through various categories and find the specific device that you are trying to link. So for example, if you go over to the Wi-Fi category, you can find exact instructions regarding any of these devices. This is going to work for any other category. Just make sure that you follow through the instructions on screen. So as you can see, they have these little animated guides that you can follow to easily connect any device that you wish to use within Google Home. So just follow the instructions here, tap Next, and like I said, you are going to be able to automatically find and add the device to Google Home. So once it is detected, just add it through this page.